Yogis! It is wonderful to practice with you today. Remember to like and subscribe so you can join us for every adventure. Today's session will help you feel light, floaty, and free. Find a comfortable spot on your mat. Take a giant breath in through your nose. Let it out slowly. Lengthen your spine from your tailbone up to the top of your head. Make your body into a perfect pyramid shape. Feel that nice big stretch. Feel the tension melting away as you expand. Fold your body in half like a sandwich, keeping your feet stuck in the mud. Keep your eyes looking forward or slightly down so your neck stays long. High five your own hands together and focus. As you fold forward, feel your legs staying connected to the floor. Sass your hips a little to the side. Use your super strength to lift up. Let your whole body be quiet as a mouse. Ride the wave. It's okay to wiggle. Lower slowly and let the floor support your fingertips. Place your feet a little wider than your hips. Hold that shape tight. Lift your forearms upward. Feel calm, grounded, and centered. Stretch your spine out long like a puppy dog. Now curl up like a tiny rock. Sit on your heels and tuck your head down. Glue that bottom hand to the floor so you don't tip over. Gently bring your head toward your legs. Bloom open big and wide like a giant sunflower. Turn your knee out to the side like an opening gate. Keep your neck loose and jiggly. Keep your back flat like a table, nice and long. Don't let it hump up. Now freeze like a statue. If your statue wobbles a bit, that's totally fine.